Presenting a pre-owned 2015 BMW. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include lighting package, premium package, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.